If you want to enable the performance mode on Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, what you can do is you can go to settings. Next in settings, we're going to scroll down and we need to find battery. And then in battery settings, we have the current mode. So we can tap over here and we can find the performance mode. Over here, we can see this information that the performance mode will improve the performance of our device, obviously, but also it can increase the power consumption and lead to overheating issues. So we have to keep that in mind. And there we go. Of course, if you want to turn it off, we can switch back to the balance mode, for example. And also, if we go to quick settings or the control center, we can add the performance mode button in here as well. So at the bottom of quick settings, we're going to tap on edit. And then in system toggles, we should be able to find the option somewhere over here. Let me actually try to, there we go, performance mode. Let's tap on this check. And we can easily enable and disable the performance mode like this. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.